turtles. Oh, one's going to swim. Oh, I love turtles so much. So cute. And then there's ducks, and then apparently, so there's koi in there?
Yeah.
There's koi in there. Morning. And then there's ducks here. Perfect place to lay out. Oh, it's a nice little oasis. Oh my gosh, there's even a white one. Is that a swan? The swan.
The ugly duckling.
Yeah.
That's the one that gets teeth by all the other ducks.
Yeah.
Saying how ugly it is.
So sad, poor
And
baby.
The other swan comes and goes, "You're not a duck."
Water on the trail. That's how I feel all the time. The odd one out. I never do anything conventional. Ever. Oh, I'm getting hungry, and I didn't think I would. Because I was like, I just ate 6 tacos last night. Is that part of the property? Oh, that's where we're going. Okay, cool. We saw some tennis courts. This place is madness. A restaurant, a cold pool. I cannot wait. Is that a sauna?
No.
Okay. Damn. That's where we're headed later. To the rooms. Lots of water around here.
Spectator bridges, but that water's way too hot to get in.
Yeah.
It'll burn you. In the morning, when you come down here in the morning, there's still steam coming off of it, even though it's 80 degrees outside.
Oh. So excited for hot spring.